So I put like shiny stuff on it to kind of make it look like it was gooey, and then I put some more like mossy mold. And then I painted the teeth with some like gooey blood. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like gooey blood in there. I wanted it to look kind of like it was dripping. I don't know. So then it'll be like this. I have to put the eyepiece on, which goes here, which is just like a black felt kind of a thing. And then the headband, which goes like from the back to here. So yeah, and then I'm gonna play The Last of Us, and I'll do probably a cosplay stream, or like a stream where I'll like put like the neck on, like the clicker neck makeup, and then yeah, wear it, and then play The Last of Us for like a few minutes, and then I probably won't be able to see. So that's it. Thank you for showing your mom and everyone. It's getting there. I think at some point last night I was like, I just have to stop doing stuff to it. So then I put the stuff that looks wet on it, and that kind of helped me stop, because I can't really paint much more after that. But yeah, there's this like kind of like molding chunks that I put on, and little blue kind of undertones. You know, I have notes for the next time I do it, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Uh-oh. I got paint on my face. But yeah. Oh. I thought about doing for Halloween the full, like the bloater costume. Hi, Troll. Hunter. Hi, Arca. How are you? And like getting like a little kid snowsuit, and then putting foam pieces on like this big snowsuit so it looked like big, but I could take it off easily. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much, Marie. Thank you for asking about it, and thank you for sharing it. Thank you, you're so sweet. Hi, Nico. Hi, Drew. Max, you're incredibly funny. Thank you for the comments. So yeah, so that's where we're at. Pretty good, right? From going from a flat design to try to make it look a little bit more popped out. I think we're getting there. But I just have to stop doing stuff to it, because otherwise it'll